Hello, everyone. Today I will be expanding your knowledge on the famous scientist and professor, Dr. Siegland Snapp. In Snapp's early years, she informed me that she loved gardening and reading science fiction books. She actually worked in a bakery when she was younger because she loved giving people food to eat. She was a very serious child that worried about how so many people on Earth go to bed hungry and did not get enough food to eat in a day. She thought that if she became an agronomist, she could help people around the world produce their own food and be able to feed themselves and their families. According to Michigan State University, after her early years, Dr. Snapp first attended Washington State University to earn her bachelor's degree in agronomy and soil science in 1983. Then, in 1985, she got her Master of Science in crop physiology at ours truly, University of Minnesota Twin Cities, specifically St. Paul. Lastly, she got her PhD in plant physiology at the University of California, Davis in 1992. The field of biology that Dr. Snapp works and researches in is agroecology, specifically soil and cropping system ecology. Some questions that she asks about her field are: how do cover crop traits link to soil health? How do cover crops mediate nutrient efficiency, healthy crop roots, and soil function? And what are the principles of biology-based soil management? In Dr. Snapp's free time, she likes to write science fiction books, which she is actually now writing one about a captain who has to solve the mystery of who killed the prior captain. She loves to be creative with her books. Dr. Snapp is a professor at the University of Michigan, teaching ecological food and farming systems and sustainable agriculture and food systems. When she's not writing a science fiction book or teaching, Dr. Snapp is probably doing some sort of research on farms, which a lot of her work is based in Africa. Dr. Snapp has been recognized for her immense research efforts and has been honored and awarded with 41 achievements. It is not because of the 41 achievements that I admire Dr. Snapp so much, but I admire her because of what she does for small farmers. My father is a small family farmer who farms 1,100 acres of land in my hometown. My dad won Outstanding Conservationist of the Year award in 2019 due to his use of cover crops for conserving the soil and his land. Dr. Snapp researches just this. In the words of Michigan State University, she investigates how cover crops mediate nutrient efficiency, soil function, and healthy crop roots. Her work with cover crops has inspired me to research more about them and what cover crops do to soil and crop health. Her work really relates to my dad's work, and I look up to my dad a lot, so Dr. Snapp's work means a lot to me and to a lot of small farmers. Dr. Snapp normally works with small farmers, especially in Africa, to improve soil health and nutrients so people of Africa can grow their own food and not go hungry during the days. She is such an amazing and compassionate person for caring about the hungry and trying to teach them ways to grow their own food. That is also why I look up to her. Michigan State University states that Dr. Snapp has edited 2 books and has published 100 journal articles on agriculture. The scientific paper I am showing you here is a paper called Joint Environmental and Social Benefits from Diversified Agriculture, published in 2024. The figure that is shown here is 7 different flower diagrams that indicate the effects of diversification strategies on 3 different environmental outcomes, which are non-agricultural biodiversity, regulating ecosystem services, and reduced environmental externalities, and 3 social outcomes, which are human well-being, food security, and yield. The agricultural diversification strategies in the figures are livestock diversification, temporal crop diversification, soil conservation, non-crop diversification, and water conservation. Also included are the effects of diversification strategies and the associated number of practices. The result of this experiment was that multiple diversification strategies and practices maximized benefits of environmental and social outcomes. The overall best strategy to maximize environmental and social outcomes is to apply multiple diversification strategies and practices cohesively. So far, Dr. Snapp has uncovered how to intensify agriculture sustainability by increasing productivity, but also improving soil health and biodiversity at the same time. She has shown that cover crops can provide productivity benefits, especially in more variable areas. In summary, Dr. Snapp is someone who loves to help people, especially farmers, by improving soil management and health. She has won many achievements doing what she loves, and she loves to share and talk about her work with anyone who is interested. Thank you for listening and expanding your knowledge about Dr. Siegland Snapp.